Okay, let's read this one because it's a little bit of a different problem than before. Okay, this says determine whether each equation is an identity or whether it has no solution. These are special cases and you'll be able to identify them this way. Once you start to simplify, and what we're going to do here is we're going to distribute this 2 through 2a minus 8, and then distribute this negative, so we've got 4a minus 2a minus 4. Okay? And now we need to combine like terms. What are the like terms? Over here on this side, 4a minus 2a is 2a. Now, here's the clue. Here's where it pops out. We have the same coefficient on the variable a on both sides. Okay, so what's going to happen? I'm going to just subtract that away so you can see what happens there. I'm going to take away 2a from both sides. So rewrite what was already there, minus 2a. Okay, what was already there, minus 2a. What was already there, minus 2a. What happens? These two are inverse operations that cancel out, and these two are inverse operations that cancel out. So what we're left with is just negative 8 equals negative 4. Now that is not true. That is a false statement. And what you're saying here, when you subtract away the variable from one side and it goes away on the other side as well, or another way of looking at it is to say when you have the same number of the variable on both sides, then this is one of the special cases. It's either an identity or no solution. So finish it out. Finish it out by subtracting away the variables that are there, and then see what the numerical statement is left over. Is it true? No, in this case it is not. So you say no solution. There's no number that would plug in there that would work out because there's a different amount over here being taken away from 2a than there is from here. So this is like starting on the same place on the number line and then making different moves from there. And you're never going to land on the same number doing that. Okay? No solution, you're done. You can't do proofs with these. There's no way to do proofs with these. So you should actually be thankful when you identify a problem as one of these because it saves you the whole second part, which is doing the proofs. Okay? Let's look at a couple more of these in 29 and 31.